I just got the new subscription box. This is the May Color Play subscription box from Color Street. I can't wait to see what's inside. So, I brought a knife to open the box. Let's see what we've got. Okay, so it always comes with instructions either online or in a little booklet. Let's see what sets we've got. So these are all exclusive. The only way to get them is through the box. So we've got a whole set. This one is called Lychee Rosé, or Lychee Rose Rosé. We have, this is literally, doesn't matter, that's champagne fizz. I don't know if you can see it there. Oh, another full set. This one is called Raspberry Tart. Oh my goodness. Wow. This one is called Matcha. So it's like a green shimmer. Oh my gosh, these are all full set. That's incredible. $30. Floral notes. So this is kind of like a design dip, if you want to see that. Wow. Okay, then we got our little nail file, our cut pad, and how cute is this? Oh my gosh, bamboo coasters. I love this. Who doesn't need good coasters? And this is part of the tropical garden